Hey guys, welcome to the Poke Social Club. Happy New Year. It's Daddy Snorlax.
I'm Mini Charmander.
And today we're opening something very special. I don't know if you guys noticed there's hardly any Pokemon packs around, but I did manage to find this Ultra Beasts GX Premium Collection box. I've moved the set back and I still can't fit it all in. With Pheromosa and Celesteela. Got that from Hills Cards in the UK, a very good online shop if you want to check them out.
Might have a good playmat.
We'll have a good playmat in it, hopefully. And a few other bits and pieces. We'll get the box open and we'll show you what's inside. Back in a moment.
6 months later.
Hey guys, we've opened the box. Pretty big box it was too. And we've got a couple of promo cards. A Celesteela GX, which is pretty cool. And a Pheromosa GX, which is very nice. 2 Ultra Beasts. So we'll put those guys over there. And we get a big
Pheromosa card.
Big jumbo Pheromosa card. Those guys and girls that like big jumbos, shall we say. And, oh, hold on, there's a coin. I'm sure there's a coin.
Yeah, there was a Pheromosa card.
Hold that please, Mini Charmander. See, we are super professional. Pheromosa coin, which is pretty cool. We'll put that there. And then we have a really cool
Okay, that's cool. It is all the Ultra Beasts.
playmat, Pheromosa something. That's pretty cool. We may feature that in one of the next videos. Put that over there, please, Mini Charmander. And we get 8 packs of dubious quality. Steam Siege, Fates Collide,
Guardians Rising, Crimson Invasion,
2 of those.
Invasion, Sun and Moon, Evolutions,
da!
and Burning
and Shadows. So we'll leave the Evolutions of Burning Shadows till last.
Yes.
And we'll start with everyone's favourite pack.
Steam Siege.
Steam Siege. Like Sean Connery. Steam Siege. Are you ready?
Yes.
Right, let's go. There's
We
your...
never pull anything good out of Steam Siege.
I don't think there is anything. Oh, I did 4. There we go. It's 3.
Shieldon, Emberpalm, Tangrowth, Oshawott, Pawniard, Tangela, Joltik, Larvesta.
It's a cool hand-drawn one, isn't it?
Yeah. Ponyta.
And ooh,
Something.
there we go. A Volcanion EX.
And it's 2 thingies, so it has like that split thing.
Two
Types.
types, dual type. I think there
And
we
then
go.
it's split down the middle, and I thought that's pretty cool.
That is pretty cool. I like that. That's probably our first decent Steam Siege pull. On to
Yeah.
Fates Collide.
Fates Collide.
Oh,
Gothita.
Gothita. Oh, hello. There we go. Messed that up. Green code. 3. Let's see what we get anyway.
Servine, Ultra Ball, Old Amber Aerodactyl,
Yeah.
Gothita, Solosis, Snivy, Snubble, Binnacle, Lugia,
Oh, Lugia reverse.
and Omastar.
Homestar. Well, I like the Lugia reverse. We'll keep him over there.
Guardians Rising next.
Guardians Rising. Here we go with Lycanroc on the front.
Oh look, Heliotile.
Code there. 4 for this. Yep, Sun Moon. Right.
Fairy Energy, Altar of the Sun, Altar of the
Oh,
Moon,
look. Altar of the Sun, Altar of the Moon.
Glasgow, Heliotile, Beldum, Tentacle, Clefairy, Barboach, Mallow,
Mallow and Oricorio. Yep, one of those. Right, Crimson Invasion.
Crimson Invasion. The Guzzlord. Nom.
Nom nom. Nom Lord.
Nom.
Right, here we go.
Electric Energy, Diggersby, Countercatcher,
Staravia.
Mischievous, Carablast,
That's a cool one.
Swayblue, Pumpkaboo.
Pumpkaboo.
I really like it. It's cute. Execute, Raid,
Raid reverse.
Wiggly.
And a Wigglytuff. Not looking too happy. Not looking too happy. A bit like us pulling these packs. Right, Crimson Invasion halfway through. One decent pull out. Steam Siege. I mean, if that's the best we get, that's incredible.
Yep.
That's Steam Siege pull. It's upside down.
Psychic Energy, Fighting Memory, Diggersby, Mawile, Alolan Geodude, Aaron, Ghastly, Staryu, Cacnea, Dino.
And oh, look at that! Rainbow Rare Alolan Executor or Executor, however you want to say it. Look at
He's
that.
so dope.
That is pretty cool. Was that Crimson Invasion, was it?
Yes.
That's pretty good. We'll take one of those, we'll put Volcanion down there, and we'll take a Rainbow Rare.
We'll take him.
Absolutely. There we go. He's not super rainbow, but he's rainbow enough. Right, Sun and Moon base set.
That's a sigh of relief that we didn't get just the Steam Siege.
Steam Siege, that's always fine. We're all
He's
good.
fine.
Right, here we go.
Electric Energy, Repel, Pinsir, Timer Ball, Poliwag, Paris, Chinchou, Alolan Rattata, Rock'n'Roller, Dragonair,
And
Luna.
oh, Lunala GX.
I said Luna, so Lunala. Never mind.
That's not bad. We'll take one of those. An EX, a GX, and a Rainbow Rare so far.
And then Burning Shadows.
Here we go, Burning Shadows.
Rainbow Red Charizard, here we come. Like you always say.
Well, it's got to happen sooner or later. we do own one, but
Yeah.
we didn't pull it,
We
sadly.
bought it.
Yep. Threw money at the problem. Right, here we go.
Electric Energy,
Kior.
Rhydon, Lunatone, Rhyhorn, Ralts, Tangela, Tynamo, Crabrawler,
Electros, and
No.
nothing.
Nothing.
Malamar.
Evolutions.
Here we go. Evolutions. Everyone's favourite pack. Worth. I think I picked this up for £40 odd, and I guess Evolutions packs are worth about £9 or £10 by themselves. So there we go. It's 3, isn't it, for this? Oh, look at that!
Secret rare
Straight in
back.
with the secret rare. Down there, 109 of 108. Executor.
I see something at the back, by
Yeah,
the
there
way.
is something at the back.
Misty's Determination, Revive,
Revive.
and it looks like a full art of some sort.
Does look like
Machop, Weedle, Duo, Staryu, Onyx, Fairy,
Fairy,
What do we get?
and
What do we get?
oh, Brock's Grit Full Art Trainer. There we go. Have we got this one? No, we've got Misty's
We've got
Determination.
No, we've got this one. We've got about
We do have
3 of them.
Okay, we have 3 of these apparently. But there we go. Still worth pulling. Still worth a decent amount of money. But you know, at the end of the day,
We got a.
we've got a couple out of one pack.
Executor.
We've got a Volcanion EX, which is pretty cool. The Lunala GX.
And the Alolan Executor.
And the Alolan Executor. So there we go. Not bad out of this Ultra Beasts pack, all in all. Pretty good, I reckon. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Please subscribe if you've not done so already. That would greatly help the channel. And that's it for now from the Poké Social Club. Bye from Daddy Snorlax.
And Mini Charmander.
Bye.